Okay, today we have new oil pastels. Now I love oil pastels. As you can see, I have my whole wall. Honestly, this isn't even the whole wall. Okay, look. I've got a bajillion things on here, but they can be expensive. So Lightwish ended up sending me their oil pastels so I can try them out. If these are just as good as the ones that I'm using already, game changer. Already, just by opening the box, I'm in love. The colors are so vibrant and they're curated for different drawings. All these yellows are perfect if you want to draw flowers or nature, while the 100 set has a wider range of colors. They also include multiple white oil pastels since we go through those so fast. They also sent me their swatch book with protected pages, and this works for more than just oil pastels, but that's what we're focusing on. Look at these. Oh my gosh, these colors, I gotta say, these sets look immaculate. But while the colors look great, I want to check if they actually draw as vibrant. From the first stroke though, I can tell they are very smooth and they seem just as vibrant. Plus, they're very creamy since you can blend it with your finger. But keep in mind that also means that it can get everywhere. So far, the vibrancy and the smoothness is really adding up, even though these aren't the most expensive products. But I also want to see how they blend. Blending is one of the most important things that I do, so there's different ways to blend. The first is using the oil pastels. Now, it's okay if you get the other colors like the blue on the green. You can easily clean it by just wiping it off on a sheet of paper or just on your hand like I do. Another way to blend, like I did earlier, is just using your finger by going back and forth. Keep in mind though, the oil pastel will stay on your finger, so be careful not to touch anything. The last main way is by using either a Q-tip or a designated oil pastel blending stump, which again, you can clean off just by wiping it off. I think the blending stump is better, it's designed for blending, but the Q-tip does work as well. You just might have to use more of them. But the most important part for soft oil pastels is the butter test. This is seeing if it will smush, if it will mix, if it will cut, if it's creamy, basically if it acts like butter. And I can tell you, through doing this, I'm literally making my own color. This is so buttery. Do you guys see this? These oil pastels pass the butter test. That's rare. That is rare, especially with these beautiful colors. You can mix and match all of them to create new shades, but I want to show you all of the colors just so you can see how vibrant they actually look. Now, my only thing about these oil pastels is the outside is a bit oily when you touch it, but that's just because the actual pastel is very smooth and oily, so it's fair. Now that we've seen all of the colors, I want to show you how to draw 4 beautifully buttery flowers. I will also be using a spare sheet of paper to clean any of the oil pastels. All in all, I have to say I'm very impressed with Lightwish. If you're looking to start with oil pastels or wondering if Lightwish is any good, I can confirm they definitely are an affordable, high-quality version of soft oil pastels, and I definitely recommend them. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. I'll see you next time.